Welcome back to BA Media. Today we will discover an incredible opportunity where you can earn money online by doing what you love, watching videos. With zero skills and no investment required, you can turn your video addiction into a profitable venture. By the end of this guide, you will have all the tools to start making money from anywhere in the world. Get ready to combine your passion for video with the thrill of earning money online today. Yes, it is true that there is a method to earn money online by watching videos. This method allows you to work from anywhere in the world using just your phone, and it requires no specific skills or upfront investment. By the end of this video, you will have all the necessary steps completed so that you can start making money online today. Let's be honest with each other. We all have a strong addiction to watching videos. I personally watch videos every day, and I'm sure you and everyone you know does too. Consider the remarkable growth of TikTok, which quickly gained popularity. If we already engage in this activity for free, why not get paid for it? I have a complete solution ready for you, requiring only copy-pasting skills to start making money today. My affiliates without any prior experience or investment are earning at least $700 every day by following my instructions. I will provide you with the same system I have personally created. By checking my affiliate dashboard, you can witness the earnings my affiliates have generated over the past 5 to 6 months starting from January. Over the span of 6 months, my affiliates have achieved remarkable results, generating $93,000 in sales and receiving $23,000 in commissions. It's important to note that these numbers were attained with just 417 leads, which represents the number of people they directed to the website. Surprisingly, the actual sales made were even fewer than the number of leads. Therefore, with less than 417 sales, my affiliates managed to earn $23,000 in commissions. It's worth mentioning that these affiliates also promote other products. So, the figures displayed on the dashboard only represents the portion of their total income. This method proves highly lucrative, allowing them to achieve such impressive earnings. The success of this method can be attributed to the product itself, which has received consistent 5-star reviews. It has a proven product with an exceptional track record of sales and a remarkable zero refund or dispute rate. By examining my Stripe dashboard, which grants me access as a creator of the affiliate program, you can witness the substantial sales brought in by these affiliates. While not all of their income is solely from this specific product, I will explain the reason behind it later on this video. I have also personally utilized this method by becoming an affiliate for another product. With just one promotional video, I achieved 180 conversions and earned $3,259. Every day I continue to receive sales from that single video. The results speak for themselves. Since joining the affiliate programs on November 5, 2022, I created a single video promoting the product mentioned earlier, and I continue to receive daily sales from it. If you visit the commission page, you'll notice that I currently have 74 pending sales for this product. Although the commission per sale may not be significant, ranging from $4.20 to $11.70, these sales have been consistently generated on autopilot since September 2022. Similarly, I have promoted approximately 50 other products through videos, all of which continue to sell automatically every day. This result is a passive income of approximately $7,000 to $10,000 per month. Outsource tasks to a virtual assistant for maximum efficiency and focus on profit collection. Follow my video for step-by-step guidance. Subscribe to this channel for more valuable content and ensure reliable payments through my affiliate programs. Designed for busy individuals managing various responsibilities, I have taken care of all of the work for you and only ask for one thing in return. Once you start seeing results, please share this video with a friend who could also benefit from earning some extra cash. Now let's dive into step 1. Open your TikTok app and head to the For You page. Starting watching videos, for instance, I'm currently watching a video by Robert Kiyosaki, a renowned finance educator. You'll notice that this particular video has gained a significant number of likes, in this case 611,000. After watching the video and determine its quality, you will want to download it. To do this, click on the share button and select copy link. Next, Paste the TikTok link into the website, specifically designed for downloading TikTok videos without watermarks. Once pasted, click on Download. The website will fetch the video for you, allowing you to download it without any watermarks. Simply click the download button again, and the video will be saved on your computer. You can then play it on your computer or even transfer it to your phone for convenience. To make things even easier, I have automated this process. With the right apps installed on your phone, you can swiftly download TikTok videos by clicking on the GB icon at the top. This allows you to quickly save videos on your phone. Once you have the videos downloaded, you can effortlessly post them by selecting the plus button and uploading the video. It's as simple as that. Enjoy the convenience of accessing and using these videos to get started on the money-making journey. Build a portfolio of 90 videos by identifying popular ones with high likes and views. Download them using the provided website. For location-independent online businesses, explore Pro University. For my personal insights and business tips, check out YouTuber Pro. Monetize the viral videos by applying various strategies and earning income like a showcase individuals and affiliates. Signing up is free and open to anyone worldwide. By entering your email, you become an affiliate for all the courses offered on Pro University. You will earn a 25% commission on every sale you make. For instance, if a course is priced $3,397, such as YouTuber Pro, you will receive a commission of $997.25 per sale. No payment is required to join the affiliate program. All you need is a bank account to receive your earnings. Here's an overview of the potential earnings. 1 sale per day is $91 per day, 2 sales per day is $180 per day, 3 sales per day is $273 per day, 4 sales per day is $365 per day, 5 sales per day is $456 per day, 6 sales per day is $547 per day, and 10 sales per day is $1,000 a day. After entering your email, several things will happen. First, you'll gain access to a Google Drive folder containing my viral YouTube videos, both long form and short form. You'll have the permission to repost these videos on your own accounts, but it's optional. The Google Drive folder will be regularly updated with new videos for your convenience. Once you become an affiliate for Pro University, you will receive your affiliate link to make sales. You will also receive a link to access your sales dashboard where you can track your earnings and get paid. Simply download the videos, repost them, and start earning money. To register for Assist Mio, which is free to join, click the provided link in the text file. All they require is your email address. Once you have entered your email, you will receive a confirmation link in your inbox. Click the link to verify your email and create a password. Confirm that you're not a robot and save your information to access your account. When you log into your Assist Mio account for the first time, you will be prompted to fill in your profile. In order to receive payments, click on the blue link to go to the profile page and provide your personal details. Regardless of your country, you can still receive payments through this method. To track your sales and access your affiliate dashboard, click on Dashboard and then Affiliate Dashboard. This will take you to the dashboard where you can monitor clicks on your affiliate links and track your sales. The strategy presented in the video using TikTok to promote your affiliate products is similar to what Andrew Tate uses in his affiliate program. By going viral on TikTok, many people have made significant earnings, with some making up to $11,000 per week. The difference between this program and Andrew Tate's is that this one pays $91 per sale, where Andrew Tate's pays only $11. So by watching videos and getting paid through this program, you have the potential to earn higher commissions. Let's do some quick math. Suppose you download a TikTok video and repost it, and it receives 100,000 views. If 0.1% of those viewers click and buy the promoted products, that's already 100 people. Let's say you make 50 sales from those clicks, each priced at $397. The amount is $19,850. After deducting a 25% commission, that's going to be $4,962.50 in commissions from one video with 100,000 views. This demonstrates the potential for earning around $5,000 on average from one viral video. Let's imagine that you follow the strategy provided in the affiliate program and repost 4 to 5 videos every day using the techniques taught in the instructional video. How much money do you think you can potentially earn? This is a legitimate method to make money by watching videos, and I will continually update the Google Drive folder with new viral videos, ensuring that you have fresh content to post. Even if you prefer not to download the videos yourself, I'll handle that task for you. It's crucial to follow the recommended structure outlined in the affiliate video to increase your chances of going viral and maximizing your earnings. Additionally, there's a comprehensive guide available on leveraging the power of YouTube to earn $900 per day. If you're interested to accessing that guide, click on the provided link below. Remember to work hard and enjoy the rewards of your effort. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one.